Linking your bank account to Fidelity can be done easily without using Plaid. Follow these steps to set up the connection directly. Step 1. Log into your Fidelity account. Before changing your settings, use the shark.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the Accounts and Trade tab. From there, select Account Settings to access your account management options. Step 3. Select Bank Account Linking. In Account Settings menu, look for the option to link a bank account. Click on this option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter your bank information. You will be prompted to enter your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Make sure to double-check this information for accuracy. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering your bank information, review the details and confirm that everything is correct. Submit the information to complete the linking process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account will be linked to your Fidelity account, allowing for easy transfers and transactions.